The rolling hills and prairies of the Northern Plains provide grazing for cattle and produce a wide diversity of rain-fed crops from wheat, corn, and soybean to sunflower, dry peas, and buckwheat. However, crop and livestock production can be challenging. With cold winters, a short growing season, hot summers, and highly variable precipitation, farmers and ranchers here must balance land use and management practices that ensure both their livelihood and sustainable food production. These decisions also have broader impacts to water, air, soil, wildlife, and the well-being of rural communities. Scientists at the Northern Plains LTAR site, which is managed by the USDA Agricultural Research Service, Northern Great Plains Research Laboratory in Mandan, North Dakota, are working with farmers and ranchers to develop crop and livestock systems that protect and build the soils and ecosystems. This includes cropping research to increase plant diversity, lower soil disturbance, and reduce the need for purchased inputs. Scientists are also conducting grazing land research to develop best management practices and improve grassland diversity, productivity, resilience to drought, and economic viability.